CenterPoint Energy Dayton Air Show. Make your recycling count by putting litter in its place. Help us keep the air show clean and green. Danny, we're just getting started on this show, and we're not anywhere near the Blue Angels yet, and they get to be the headliners for the day.
Well, we still have a tremendous amount of variety. If you open up your program to page number 37, we again will have some helicopters, Rob, but these will present another task that the helicopters did, from the civilian world of an air ambulance to actual combat Vietnam helicopters. As they come in from the right, they are the Apache AH-64. That will be the biggest of the two aircraft, and the Bell AH-1 Cobra aircraft. We'll tell you about both of these aircraft, but what's the most unique
Jeff Moss Jr. Never happened at an air show before that we have a military and a civilian helicopter, both military veterans, actually one active duty, and father and son. This is really a very, very heart-rending thing.
Our realities are created by our dreams. Now, two different sides of the helicopter. One, that's another. You see those little wings coming out from both helicopters. That's where they mount and wet.
And if you look under the chin of the nose of both helicopters, something that began with the Cobra on the left. By the way, the first attack helicopter designed from the skids up to be an attack helicopter, there's a small 3-barrel chain gun, which is connected electronically now to the gunner's helmet in the front. If the gunner looks left or right almost 180 degrees, those gun barrels will turn in that direction. It is a legitimate look and shoot capable chain gun.
And then off of the many wings, they have the grenade launchers and the capability of 7 rockets. That's in the helicopter to our left. 1,100 horsepower, total of a little over 1,100 has been manufactured. They have been used as they're surplused out of the military in the world of wildfires. They have plating to protect the pilots from ground fire. Close air support is their mission, and escort of friendly troops. The larger of the two, the Apache, back in 1975. And they say there has been a little over 2,400 of the larger of the two, or the one on our left, manufactured.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in Army aviation history, father and son, a big round of applause for Jeff Moss Sr. and Jeff Moss Jr. Oh, Danny, this is so fun.
It is heart-rendering. It's featured on page number 37. And Mikey Mike will remind us, these are the helicopters that are selling rides behind us. Actual Vietnam helicopters, and the price again for the single place seat in the Cobra
is $625,
right? Because there's only one seat to sell. And in the larger aircraft, the Apache, they are $1,100 for the Huey. For the Huey, take a ride. Do it. It'll take place mostly throughout the show. You'll hear them operating behind us, and they will continue to fly after the show is over until it gets dark or the last person has their ride. It is a thrill of a lifetime. What are you saving up for? Live a little. You know, we got shut down pretty badly as a country. I don't want to go into that, but we're back alive again. We got our happy feet. So all what we said back then a couple of years ago, I wish, I wish, I wish. Well, here it is, my dear friends. It's in front of us now.